Well, boys, here you have the subwoofer filter. Here you have a potentiometer, different from the Nabucco's schematic, now modified to 100K, a double potentiometer. This is the 10K output potentiometer. Its original value is 10K. So anything changed here. Here you replaced the 10K double potentiometer by a 100K double potentiometer. This resistor was replaced by a 18K, 18,000 ohms. These two resistors. So here you have three capacitors that you add one to the other to obtain a 10 nanofarads value. As we have 10 nanofarads, 103 capacitor, have just to install a single one due to the fact it is already the correct value of 10K. This is all in parallel. Here you have 6 capacitors in parallel. The total amount of capacitance should be 20K, 203 capacitor. As I do not have a single capacitor of 203 or 20 nanofarads, this is 10 nanofarads. This is 20 nanofarads. As I do not have 20, I'm adding 10 nanofarads plus 10 nanofarads due to the fact all these 6 capacitors are installed in parallel. So made these modifications, this stream port replaced by 100K instead of 10K, the replacement of these two resistors by 18K, and the replacement of capacitors putting in this series here from C6, 7, 8 and 9 here. You use only a single 10 nanofarads, and this series, this parallel array, here is also a parallel array. This parallel array from C1 to C6, you should use 20 nanofarads. Using this way, when you turn the bandwidth potentiometer counterclockwise, you will have from 20 cycles to 90 cycles. If you turn the potentiometer fully clockwise, you have from 20 Hz to 500 Hz. So this is going to be a passing base, and you can adjust the level in this potentiometer. So you have here a base control that you can put into a power amplifier and install a dedicated speaker into the power amplifier output, and then you have bass or subwoofer depending your choice of subwoofer driver or woofer driver. If you use the range, you will have, of course, naturally different bandwidth. I'm just informing you the extremes. Of course, this is linear, and you can go within this range. To go till 90 counterclockwise, to go till 500 Hz clockwise. In between, you will have another upper frequency limit. That's it.